Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify backend webhooks with Stripe CLI and mobile testing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify backend webhooks with Stripe CLI, begin by installing Stripe CLI if you haven't already. Visit the official Stripe website to download the CLI. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Log into your Stripe account by running the command Stripe login. This will open a browser window for authentication. After logging in, navigate back to your terminal. Next, retrieve your Stripe webhook signing secret. Go to your Stripe dashboard, then to the Developers section. Select the Webhooks option and find your endpoint. Copy the signing secret for later use. In your terminal, run the command stripe listen forward to localhost 3000/webhook. Replace localhost 3000/webhook with your actual webhook endpoint. This command will start listening for events from Stripe and forward them to your endpoint. In your code, implement the logic to handle the incoming webhook requests. Use the Stripe SDK to verify the signatures of incoming requests. Check that the Stripe signature header is present in the request. Use the signing secret you copied earlier for verification. After verifying, proceed with handling the event as needed. To test the webhooks, run the command Stripe trigger payment_intent.succeeded in a new terminal window. This simulates a successful payment intent. Monitor your terminal to see the incoming webhook event being logged. If everything works correctly, your backend should process the event as intended. For mobile testing, set up a testing environment on your mobile device. Ensure your device is connected to the same network as your development server. Access your web application through the device's browser using the local IP address. Verify that the webhooks are received correctly while testing on the mobile device. This method allows you to ensure that your application performs as expected in real-world scenarios. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.